How to create Credit Karma account. If you want to create an account on Credit Karma, it is actually quite very simple to do so. For this, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the Credit Karma application. Once you launch the Credit Karma app, this is the interface that you will be able to see. Now, if you have an account, you can tap on the sign in button, but if you don't, just tap on the sign up button. Enter the email address that you would instead like to use for your Credit Karma account right here. Once you go ahead and enter the email you want to use, you want to simply make sure to choose a password that must be at least 8 characters. After that, you can also enable credit monitoring and then just tap on the sign up button, and it will ask you for a couple of other information like your credit history and so on. And once done, your Credit Karma account will be successfully created. This way you will be able to go ahead and then basically create your account on Credit Karma. I hope this video really helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.